What's going on, people? So I decided to be a cool guy and install one of these K&N cold air intake stuff in my Ford F-150. Alright, it installed just fine and it roars just fine, like everybody's hype about this thing. But here's the problem. Can you listen to this knocking noise? Hope you can hear it. I never had this noise in my engine whatsoever, ever, with stock stuff. As soon as I install this K&N thing, my engine is like shaking and knocking and all kind of weird sounds coming out of it. I have no air leaks whatsoever. Everything is connected properly. No codes, no fault codes in my dashboard. I only use super premium fuel I ever did, and I will keep doing it regardless. This thing happened only when I put this K&N stuff on my truck. So I'm gonna do an oil change and hopefully this thing disappears. If not, if you guys know what's up, if you have any ideas, please let me know. I'm gonna try to put the stock intake back and see if this thing disappears. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.